Good evening everyone, Mackie here of Mackie Vlog and Reaction. I hope you're doing fine today. So tonight we're gonna try amazing food and we're gonna try something new today. I want you to come with me. Let's go. Join me. Okay, hello guys, I'm here now at Falooda village. Gonna try the specialty Falooda. They call it the Royal Falooda. Okay, let's try it. It's like similar to Knickerbocker. See? Indian version of Knickerbocker. Way back to Philippines, they call it Knickerbocker. It's really popular there in Zamboanga City. So let's try their Falooda. Wow. Oh, it's very good. So creamy. So pretty much everything is here. There's fruits. There's cornflakes. It's very good when the cornflakes is still crunchy while eating the Falooda. Wow. Wow. Royal Falooda. So fruity, guys. I can taste the fruits inside this, the Falooda. It's really similar to the Knickerbocker. The combination of the fruits, ice cream, and the cornflakes is really amazing. I don't know how they discovered this, but it's really, really good. The consistency of the taste is there. Okay, next we're gonna try the next food. They call it the Nature's Nest. Still the signature food here in Falooda village. Okay, it's Nature's Nest. Still ice cream. So it's like still ice cream, but concentrates on fruits again. So that's why they call it Nature's Nest. Nest for the nature. So sweet. Creamy, yes. It's like they put something milky and they also mix with the milk. It's just really good. There's a cornflakes, fruits, and I can taste the banana. So I will rate the two foods. So I will choose the what's this? A Royal Falooda. It's like similar. It's really good. It's really good. Okay, they will add cornflakes, which is amazing. Put cornflakes, friend. Thank you. The guy that serves me the foods is really generous. He gave me more cornflakes, which is really, really good. I think I really, really need the cornflakes. It's more delicious when the cornflakes. It's really crunchy. I like it. Sabroso, sabroso. Bait naman ni Kuya. Hindi ko daw pabayaran yung pagkain. Libre na daw. Okay guys, I really, really enjoy the food. I hope to see you next time, guys. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button so you will be updated to my videos. I'm here now again in Al Karama, Dubai. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye!